Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this you will need USB cable. So firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. After it completely turns off, you have to connect it to USB cable, which is connected from the other side to computer. And when the cable is connected, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, release power key and keep holding only volume up. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you can just perform anything you want. You have such options as reboot system now and reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off and repair apps. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.